What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create super cool images for social media profiles like this one from Robert Downey Jr. or Eternal Iron Man, okay? Easily, for free, without design knowledge base or background, and without needs of installing softwares, working on Photoshop. It's simple, online, free, and everyone can do it, okay? So keep here so you can learn how to do this. And before anything, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment to the section below. It helps us a lot, and you have no idea how it motivates us to bring daily videos for tutorials, website building tools, marketing, SEO, sales, leads, and many more topics. So subscribe this channel because we bring daily videos. So let's go to the point. There's a lot of profile pictures, okay, that you can use, that you can see on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, okay, and those social media pictures can be done for yourself as well. How to do this? Go to Google, the father Google, and type this, okay, profile picture maker, profile pic maker. Hit the first link right here, okay, the PFP, and here is the pictures examples that you can bring and do using their tools. I'm gonna try one with from my dog, okay. This is the original picture. Let me open it for you so you can see. Here is the picture. I just did apply a zoom inside my dog's face, and here is the result. I have one of mine, so we can check as well. But here is the result. I'm gonna click on it so I can upload the photo. We are getting the profile pics, okay? They gonna automatically using their database, their artificial intelligence, to create this picture with very different backgrounds, designs, and colors, okay? Let's see the results they gave us. As you can see, automatically they did remove the background, they did remove the other parts of the body, and create a lot of layouts. We can click on it to download. We can click here to preview into some possible profile, and here's the result. We can download the profile cover background as well in the case that you want. It's a really good tool, by the way. But let's go up and review those options. We have the edit, the colors, and the undo. But before anything, let's go right here. Mixed, creative, professional. This one looks awesome. But let's go right here into this part. So we can edit. For example, apply some shadows in the case that you want. Simple, right? You just need to click. No shadows. Let's change the colors. We can change the background colors, for example. We can use gradient colors in the case that you want. We can pick a color using our GB, okay, the red, green, and blue selector. This is the X code. Let's reset, and you can go right here into their new tool, that is this pencil. What can we do? We can change the photo zoom, the photo position. We can replace the photo. Let me reset. Go back right here. We can apply some color in the case that you want. But let's explore this part right here. We can scale, rotate in the way that you want. And save in order to download and review other designs. Here's examples of social media where you can upload your photos. We have Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Gmail or your Google account. Simple, easy, and free. Let's do again. Let's try again with a picture of mine. Let me pick another photo. Go back right here. Get in the profile pictures. I will not cut the video so you can review the time that it takes to edit and change, okay? Here are the results we have. This one looks sick. I really enjoyed this one. You can change the colors in the case that you want. Even apply a gradient color. This one looks really good. You can apply some shadows in the case that you want. And you can fully change the options you have. Just a final note, as you can see, we have a circular image right here and a squared image right here, and this happens because we did download the circle image right here using this button, this one, and the squared image using this one, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I gonna leave some links into the description below of this video for very useful source of information. For example, a place where you can download design assets for free every week. They update the downloadable design assets, so you can download Photoshop templates, icons, typography like fonts, okay? I'm gonna leave a link for a hosting website and a domain purchaser website where you can purchase a domain name for 99 cents, for example, and review those links. It may be useful for you. In addition, I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe this channel, and in the case that I bring you some new information, if you learn something, anything new from this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with a friend of yours, with your family. You have no idea how much it helps us and motivate us, okay? We are also on social media. We are at Visual Modo in any social media you like. In addition, we have a free WordPress theme and a free WordPress plugin in the case that you are doing your website, updating your website to collect leads, make sales, or write a blog. Go to wordpress.org and search for Enzo WordPress theme and Borderless WordPress plugins, okay? They are free and they are great for your needs for any website design creation. Gonna bring you tools and options to create an amazing website, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you later. All the best!